Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your TikTok video. So here you're gonna have multiple options. The first option is to just click the plus sign as you are trying to make a video or trying to upload the video. You're gonna hit this plus sign in the middle. Once you've chosen your video or your photo, TikTok is gonna automatically choose a song for you. You can just click on the song and you can change the song to any of the songs. You have recommended, you have your favorites, if you've saved any songs to your favorites, and you have the recent songs you've used. You can also search for any songs like Beautiful Things from Benson Boone. And here you're gonna listen to the different variations. And also if you click on a song, you can just add the song to the video. Another possibility is you go to this editing icon and here you go to the sound and you just click replace and you can do the same thing. So the next thing you can do is if you see a video which you like the sound of, you can just click on the sound on the bottom right corner here. And yeah, this is the original sound. So you can click on add to favorites and then you can do the same thing we did before, but it's gonna be at the favorites section. Or you can just go here and click on use sound. And now basically I could make a video using this sound, or I could choose a video from my gallery and adding this sound to the video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add music to TikTok video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.